Hello. So among the requirements that will allow us to get started with Java programming, we have Java Development Kit and then Java Runtime Environment, as we discussed in the previous videos. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to install these two important software that will allow our computer to be able to compile Java code for Java application. So how do we install this very application? So here I'm using Java Development Kit version 23 and then JRE, that's the Java Runtime Environment version 8. Now I'm going to take you through how we can install this software. The process of installing this software is the same or similar to how to install all or most of the software that you have to install on Windows applications. So I'm going to first start with the JDK here. So here I'll just double click on the application and wait for it to start the initialization. Okay, so I'm going to accept the changes here. Okay, and then we move on with the installation. So let's wait a bit as it processes the installation. Mind you, I already have Java Development Kit already installed on my machine. So chances are that I may get a warning which I'm going to skip, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to run you through how the installation will be able to, how we're going to continue with the installation. So it is saying that this software has already been installed on your computer. Would you like to reinstall it? Yes. So for the purpose of this course, I told you I was going to get a warning. Now I have a warning and I'm going to continue with the installation so that you'll be able to follow along. So I'm reinstalling JDK version 23 again. So I'll press yes, and then the process of installation begins. So first, what I already have installed will be removed, and then I'll get the new installation running. All right. But if this is the first time that you are installing, then you're not going to get this one automatically. You're going straight to the installation process. Okay, so all right, so I have an application which is already using it. So let me go quickly and then close that application. Okay, so you see that the installation process continues, right? So here, all right, it's giving me a time. Let's give it a few seconds and then the application will get installed. So yes, this is the installation process, and now I'll just click on next. Here everything is intact. I'm going to click on next, and then my application has successfully been installed on my system. So you can see that all the other processes will continue just as they ought to. So this is the simple way of installing Java Development Kit on your machine. So as it is installing, I can just start up with the JRE installation. So I'll just start my Java runtime environment. I just want them to continue the installation. So now Java has been installed successfully, so I can close this, and then I restart the installation of another. Okay, so I'll just restart the installation of JRE again, and that will also get installed successfully on my machine before we move on to creating our application or installing all other software. Remember, we will have to install our text editor, that is the IDE, either IntelliJ or NetBeans. So we will install IntelliJ and then we will install NetBeans as well for the purpose of this course. But if you already have them installed, coming from the previous video, you took the opportunity to install it by yourself, that is good. Then you'll be able to follow up with the rest of the courses. Okay, so I have welcome to Java, the terms and conditions, everything is okay. I'm going to click on install, and then the Java runtime environment will also be installed successfully for me. So after this, then I'm good to go to start coding or write my code in Java, because all the basic requirements has been installed successfully. So in our next video, we're going to talk about installing NetBeans IDE and then the IntelliJ IDE, which are the official IDEs that we are going to use for this course. Basically, this course we're going to use more of IntelliJ, all right? But if you're using NetBeans, you're also okay. I'm also going to teach you how to create Java applications with Visual Studio Code, so that if you happen to have any of these, you'll be able to follow along with the course successfully. So JRE has also been installed successfully. So see you in our next video.